Today, we will be discussing how to replace the latch pawl on a Series 7000 reel. We offer select repair kits to help with maintenance and repairs, which are available on our website. In this video, we will be using the Latch Pawl kit. Begin by opening the kit and making sure all the parts are there. Next, remove the bumper stop. Then, completely remove the spring tension from the reel. Remove the set screw from the hub. Then slide the spool off the base and set it aside. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, remove the latch spring. Then, remove the nut on the outside of the base and take out the latch pawl. Finally, remove the shoulder screw. To install the new latch pawl, simply reverse these steps. Start by installing the new shoulder screw from the kit. Next, install the new latch pawl using the provided hardware and tighten it securely. Using needle nose pliers, reinstall the latch spring by feeding one end into the latch pawl and placing the other end onto the shoulder screw. Once that's done, slide the spool back onto the base, making sure the flat side of the shaft lines up with the set screw hole. Reinstall the set screw. Then reinstall the bumper stop. Last, retension the reel to your desired pull force. Now you're ready to use your new latch pawl on your Series 7000 reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.